Hello everyone, welcome to other stock technical. If you check out onto the Nifty small caps and mid caps, they are roaring like a rocket. Okay, since last 10 to 15 days, all the mid and small caps are roaring like a rocket. Okay, and if you check out onto the Nifty is just 50 to 100 points away from the all-time highs. Okay, and if you take out onto the Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty is just trading at 50 to 100 points away from the all-time highs. So what is in store for the markets during the next week? So that is what we are going to discuss in this video. So let's jump into the chatting platform right now. Okay, now let's go for the chatting platforms. And if you go for the this is the Nifty. Currently we are onto the Nifty daily time frames. Okay, and if you check out onto the Nifty daily time frame, actually in the just onto the Thursday itself, it has made an all-time high of 22,619. And if you check out just after hitting the 22,619, it is taken some resistance from there, some minor resistance, I mean to say. Okay, it has taken some minor resistance, and it onto the Friday session, it finally closed at 22,513. Okay, and if you clearly look at here, onto the 6th and 7th of March, it made a high of somewhere like 22,525, and from there Nifty has taken some amount of time-wise correction. Okay, this is nothing but a time-wise correction, and this time-wise correction has been ended on 20th of March at onto the levels of 21,710. From 21,710 again, the market has taken its bullish nature. Okay, it has captured its original trend, and it has made an all-time highs during the last week. Okay, and what will happen in the during the next week is as Nifty is absolutely the onto the bullish scenario. Okay, so there is no opportunity of short selling. Okay, so don't go for any short selling over here. Okay, and I mean to say, we can say we are having some minor dips during the next week. Okay, which is a fantastic opportunity for the buying and for the buying. Okay, so onto the last week, onto the Thursday, okay, it made a low of 22,303, which is absolutely a fantastic buying opportunity during the next week. Let's say if Nifty, if it falls back to the levels of 22,300 to 22,350 during the next week, it is a fantastic buying opportunity, and one can place a stop loss of 22,300 or 22,250 onto the lower side, and Nifty is absolutely headed for the target of 22,800 to 23,000 in the next few trading sessions. Okay, so it's absolutely buy on dips market, so don't go for any shorting opportunities. Market is not providing you any shorting opportunities. Okay, don't go for against the trend, just follow the trend. Okay, as of now the Nifty is extremely bullish scenario. Okay, so only go for the long trades, don't go for any shorting trades. Okay, so this is absolutely the Nifty. Now let's go for Bank Nifty. Okay, and if you check out onto the Bank Nifty, exactly it is taking support of our secret trading system. Okay, and it is somewhat it has not broken out the all-time highs. Let's go for the Bank Nifty chart. Okay, I'm viewing the Bank Nifty spot chart. Okay, I'm not analyzing any future charts. Let's erase this. Okay, and if you look at here onto the 1st of 29 and 1st of March, exactly took the secret trading system support, and on 20th of March again it took the secret trading system support, and from now it is almost just a few points away. Okay, almost I can say is 100 to 150 points away from the all-time highs. Okay, and according to me, Bank Nifty will cross the all-time highs during the next week, that is from Monday to Friday. Okay, and Bank Nifty is also looking extremely bullish. Okay, scenario, and if you look out onto the weekly and monthly charts, they are extremely bullish as of now. Okay, like onto the monthly. Okay, Bank Nifty actually onto the December. Okay, onto the November and December, the Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty actually they took the momentum. But if you look at onto the Jan, Feb, March, okay, almost all of the 3 months they have undergone a serious consolidation. Okay, and this consolidation is giving you a beautiful breakout during the next week. Okay, and if it gives a big breakout on this during the next week, then the Bank Nifty becomes extremely bullish. So each and every dips is a buying opportunity for the Bank Nifty. Now let's go for the levels. Okay, and for the levels, I mean to say these are the extremely on 4th of April, it made a low of 47,712. So any dips towards 47,700 to 48,000 is a fantastic buying opportunity for the Bank Nifty, and we can expect a target of somewhere like 49,000 to 49,300 onto the higher side for the Bank Nifty during the next 3 to 4 trading sessions. Okay, so Nifty and Bank Nifty is looking extremely stronger as of now. And if you look out onto the index specific, all of the Nifty mid caps and Nifty small caps are extremely bullish. All have taken our secret trading system support. If you look at here clearly, Nifty mid cap index exactly took this mid cap exactly took the secret trading system support on the 20th of March. Okay, and these levels we have clearly mentioned in our Telegram channel as well as on our students WhatsApp group. Okay, so and it formed here one power candle formations. Okay, and mid-cap index is trading at an all-time high levels. Okay, which is Nifty mid-cap index. And let's look at Nifty small-cap index. Nifty small-cap index is also it's moving higher. Okay, from 14,000 to it almost came to the levels of 16,300. So I mean to say it has made an all-time high of 16,691 during the 8th of Feb. Okay, and this 16,700, almost 16,700 levels can be reached out during the next week. So Nifty mid caps, Nifty small cap, Nifty and Bank Nifty all are showing the bullish momentum, and this bullish momentum to continue to towards another 1 to 1.5 to 2 months. Okay, and after that we can see some amount of correction into the market, but until then it's no more bearish markets. So don't short out the markets. Just purely, it's a purely buy on dips market. Okay, each and every dips is to be the buying opportunity for the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and mid and small cap specific. Okay, now let's go for the stock specific views. Okay, and for the stock specific views, actually I have selected some like 3 to 4 stocks for the long term purpose. Okay, and in that the first one is nothing but the Crompton Greaves. Let's go for Crompton. Okay, and if you check out onto the Crompton, it's taking exactly the secret of our secret trading system. Okay, the support of our secret trading system. If you look at here, okay, last month itself it made a low of 261, and from now from 260 it is came back to the levels of 280. Okay, onto the monthly chart, it is exactly trading at the secret trading system support, and onto the daily time frame, actually it has formed the bullish power candlesticks. So this is into the buying zone. So the current market price of the Crompton is 281. So one can buy at the current levels with a stop loss of almost like 260, and we can take a targets like 302 and higher targets like 302 to 350. And moreover, if you keep this with the time period of, let's say, like next 3 to 4 months, we can attain to the levels of 330 levels also onto the Crompton Greaves. So one can enter at the current levels, keep a stop loss of 260, and we can maintain a target of almost like 330 onto the higher levels for the Crompton Greaves Limited. Now let's go for the second stock pick. Okay, and for the second one I have selected Allcargo Logistics. Okay, it's a logistics company. Okay, Allcargo Logistics Limited. And if you look at onto the monthly time frames, and onto the monthly time frame, exactly it is taking support of our secret trading system support. Okay, let's work out the secret trading system. Okay, look at here. Okay, and onto the last time on the 3rd of April of 2023, almost 1 year back. Okay, exactly it is it took the support from 100 levels. It went to the 175. And again it came back to the same levels. It is taking the support of that, and also with the taking the support of our secret trading system, and market is also confirming with the power candlesticks onto the daily time frame. If you look at here, it has formed one of our power candlestick formation. Right now the Allcargo Logistics Limited is having a current market price of 109. So one can enter long positions here at the current levels, and one can maintain a stop loss of 94 onto the lower side, and onto the higher side we can expect a target of 150 in the next 3 to 4 months. Okay, these are all some amount of positional trades. Okay, so it is not the very short term. These are like a positional trades which are into the taken into. Okay, so the current market price is 109. We can maintain a stop loss of 94, and we can expect a target of 150 to 160 onto the Allcargo Limited. Now let's go for the third stock. Okay, and for the third stock I have selected is SFL Limited, Sheila Foam Limited. And if you check out onto the Sheila Foam, okay, and exactly it is formed of one of our power candlesticks onto the daily time frame. Now let's go for the monthly time frames. And if we go for the monthly time frame, exactly it is running at our secret trading system. So actually the secret trading system is getting ready as of now. Okay, and it is exactly at that level. Okay, so one can enter at the current levels. The current level is 975 for the SFL Limited, and one can maintain a stop loss of somewhere like say 915 onto the lower side, and we can expect some amount of target like 1150 to 1200 onto the higher side for the Sheila Foam Limited. Okay, why? Because exactly it is also taking support of the secret trading system. Okay, the last but not the least we have selected is Nazara Technologies. Okay, which is an IT company. And if you check out onto the Nazara Technologies, if I go for onto the weekly time frame, exactly it is taking support of our weekly time frame. Okay, STL support, I mean to say secret trading system support. It has fallen from the levels of 990 to the levels of 660 or 665. Okay, and exactly it is the fall has been stopped at our secret trading system. Okay, it is taking a formation of the base formation actually, and onto the, if you check out onto the daily time frame, exactly it is forming a power candlestick formation, and absolutely it is making a higher tops higher bottom formations. So one can enter at the current levels. The current level of the Nazara Tech is 670. So one can maintain a stop loss of somewhere like 618 onto the lower side, 618. Okay, we can maintain a stop loss of 618 onto the lower side, and the current market price is 670. And onto the higher side, we can expect a target of 850 onto the higher side for the Nazara Tech, which is expected to hit the targets in the next 3 to 4 months. Okay, so these are the stock specific views. Actually, I want to show you which let's go for the Indoco remedies. Okay, Indoamines, sorry, which we have traded onto the last weeks. Let me show you how our secret trading system works. Okay, like Indoamines, and if I go for the monthly time frame, let's go for weekly, sorry. Okay, if you look at onto the weekly time frame, actually Indoamines has been falling since 184, but exactly the fall has been arrested at the levels of 108. Okay, and during the last week we have one webinar. Okay, and in that webinar we have given the buy recommendations into the Indoamines. And if you closely look at onto the Indoamines, into the last week itself, it has yielded a return of almost like 27% return in just 1 week. Okay, this is the power of our secret trading system, and almost all what we have discussed into the last into this session is Crompton, Allcargo Logistics, and SFL and Nazara Tech all are onto the secret trading system support. Some are onto the weekly time frame support, and some are onto the monthly time frame support. So that is to be executed well, and we can expect some better results to come out onto this stock specific views. Okay, so all in all, market is looking extremely bullish. So don't go for any shorting opportunities is not allowed. So totally it's a bullish market, and one can enter long positions into the Nifty, Bank Nifty, and all of the 4 stocks which I have discussed. Okay, before taking any trades, kindly take the advice from your financial advisor and kindly take the investment decisions. Okay, this is all of the today's sessions. We'll meet you in the next session. Until then, thank you. Bye-bye.